If you're interested in creating your own mashup of videos that other people have loaded onto YouTube, you can do so using YouTube's video editor. The beautiful thing is that there are several people who've made their content available under a Creative Commons license, which makes it really easy for you. If you log into your school account, YouTube account, and click on Video Manager, and then click on Creation Tools, and then click on the Video Editor, you'll find a variety of tools that will help you create your own video. If you've already created or uploaded your own videos into YouTube, you can use those. You can also click on the Creative Commons logo, and here you can search by subject area for clips that are licensed with Creative Commons licenses. You can add your own images. You can select between a variety of different musical tracks provided by YouTube. You can add transitions, and you can add text. The way that I like to get started is to create a title slide. And I just drag it to the timeline. And I like to play around with the background color. And you can change the font and the size and the color. I'm going to go back to this little camera icon and click on it. And this time I want to add an image that I've already uploaded. I'm going to drag it to the timeline. This is just a picture that I found on photo.com. I've already put the photo credit in using Google Drawings. Click on the camera. This time I want to add footage from Creative Commons. And the title of this is Me Making Stovetop Popcorn. It's not really me, it's somebody else. And I'm going to drag their video to my timeline. And then I want to edit it. I already know I want to take off the beginning and the end. So if you left mouse click on the scissors where it says split, left mouse click, and then you're going to scroll over to where you want to cut, and then left mouse click on the line, and it'll give you two clips. I'm going to remove the starting clip by clicking on the X, and I'm going to left mouse click on the scissors again. I'm going to scroll it over near the end, left mouse click on the line, and then I'm going to cut this clip, remove this clip. And then I'm going to split this remaining clip into a few pieces so that I can show you how the transitions work. Okay. So I'm clicking on my first clip. Actually, one thing you should know is that if a clip already has audio, you can click on audio and you can change the volume so that it doesn't have audio anymore, or that you can't hear it. So I'm doing that on all of these clips. Getting rid of the sound. I'm going back to my first clip, and this time I want to click on text. And then I'm going to click on enable text. And I'm going to select a banner color, write in some text. You can change the opacity, or whether or not your banner is see-through or not, or how see-through it is. You can align your text to the right or to the left. You can move it to the bottom or the top. And you can also put it through a filter if you want to. So I'm going to click on filters. And there's a really fun one down here, heat map. And I'm going to apply that. I'm going to go to my next clip. I'm going to add more text. Change my banner color. Make sure you hit enter. Oh, enable text. That's what I forgot to do. Okay. And then I'm going to click on the camera icon again. And this time I want to add a transition in between these two clips. So I'm going to click on the transition icon and just drag it in between the two clips. If you want to see what you have so far, if you go up to the top, actually click on the little camera icon and then click on the little play arrow, and you can preview what you have so far. And you can decide whether or not you need to trim any of your clips so that they're a little bit shorter, or if you want to add transitions or filtering. I'm actually going to stop. You get the idea. Stop. I'm going to put a filter on this clip. This time I'm going to use thermal. I'm going to go back up to text, and I'm going to change the color of my text. Click on the camera because I want to add a transition. Add text again. Enable text. Changing my banner color. I'm going to add a filter. This time I'll do this one. And then I want to add another clip from Creative Commons. So I'm going to go back to the camera icon, click on the Creative Commons icon, and the next clip that I'm looking for is called Ants Love Popcorn. Or like popcorn. I'm going to drag it to the timeline. Click on audio to get rid of the loud audio that's already on it. And I'm going to split it into two pieces. I'm going to add some text to this first clip. Remember to enable text. Go to the next clip, and I'm going to add a filter. If you want to see how a certain section looks, just click on it and then go up to the top and you can push the play button and you can see what it looks like. Alright, the next thing I want to do, I'm going to add another picture. So I'm going to click on the camera, go back to the camera, up at the top, I'm going to drag my photograph, and then I'm going to go back to the little camera icon at the bottom, click on the musical note because I know there's a soundtrack that I want, and it happens to be called Hot Buttered Popcorn, and I like it, so I'm going to drag it down to where it says drag audio here. So I'm going to drag it down. Let's try that again. Drag audio here. Oh, forgot to hit enter. Let's try it again. There we go. Alright. So if you want to see what you've got so far, if you click on the little camera once again, and then click on play, and you'll be able to see what you have. You get the idea. So once you've played it through and you kind of like the way it looks, you've got the text you want, you've got a soundtrack that you think works, and you've added some credits so that you're making sure that all the clips that you've chosen have been properly cited, then you can click on Publish. So for example, if I like that one, I just played it and I like it, if I click on Publish, which I'm not going to do right this second, it'll publish. So that's how it works. I'll be circulating to help you problem solve. Sometimes it can take a while for it to actually publish, so you'll have to be patient. Good luck.